that, we cut across to some breaking news coming in. Shocking remarks made by Nitish Rane. He calls Kerala a mini Pakistan. Maharashtra Minister Nitish Rane has also defended his mini Pakistan remark on Kerala, asserting it was meant to highlight issues of religious conversions and targeted of Hindus in the state. Nitish Rane stated, and I'm quoting, Kerala is a part of our Bharat, but many Hindus are being threatened and converted. Now, Rane also accused Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra of associating with groups during Wayanad campaigns, alleging the presence of flags from terrorist organizations. Now, NCP SP leader Jitendra Avahad has reacted to Rane's statements, calling Nitish Rane's Pakistan remark on Kerala, asking for clarification on it. Let's first, viewers, show you what the Maharashtra minister said exactly.
मिनी पाकिस्तानच आहे केरळ म्हणूनच तो राहुल गांधी तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात खरंच आहे विचारा ते काय अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात खरंच आहे विचारा ते काय अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत अहो ते मिनी पाकिस्तानच आहे केरळ म्हणूनच तो राहुल गांधी तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात खरंच आहे विचारा ते काय अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत
And in fact, after the controversial statement sparked uproar, here's what the minister said in clarification. Take a listen in.
The decreasing population of Hindus is something that everyone should worry about. Religious conversions of Hindus into Christians and Muslims is become an everyday thing there. There's very large amount of people happening there. Same thing, the love jihad. The cases where women are targeted, Hindu women are targeted, is also increasing there. The same, I was comparing the situation same with Pakistan, where the way Hindus are treated in Pakistan, in our very own country, in our very own Kerala, if such situations happen, then we have to really think about it and we have to take an action against it. Eventually, we do not want our country to go in any other way, but we want our country, which is a Hindu Rashtra, to be a Hindu Rashtra, and Hindus should be protected in every way. And that is what I was trying to give a message through my speech.
And let's go across to Sandeep, who's joining us live to get us more on this. Sandeep, of course, the minister said that the remark was made in a context and he did not mean to denigrate the state of Kerala. But do you think his words are being twisted by the opposition in some manner?
The opposition is indeed, making an issue out of this. But ultimately, Nitish Rane already clarified with the fact that the kind of conversions that are happening in Kerala is very dangerous and a matter of concern for Hindus. He also raises concerns over the kind of activity going on within the Kerala state. And he also states that, and that was the reason that he called Kerala mini Pakistan, although that is something which is against his party line as well, because Bharatiya Janata Party is the party which claims Pakistan also to be the part of India. So definitely, calling Kerala, Pakistan is something that is also being criticized within the party also. And that is the reason that at this point in time, Nitesh Rane has to give clarification on his remark. So, yes, the opposition is in fact making an issue out of this, but as far as Nitesh Rane's remarks are concerned, he has already clarified that he didn't mention Kerala as Pakistan, but yes, the kind of situation there in Pakistan are very similar to Kerala, and that is what he said before media.
All right. Well, thanks, Sandeep, for joining us and sharing those updates.